And I thank Dr. Sharda for giving me a great opportunity to be here, to dialogue with you, share some of my thoughts with you all. Parents are here, they are the best people to support you all. And the dental principal, Dr. Zah, it's indeed a great institute that he is leading. I had been to each floor of yours. I saw the faculty, the students, and the activities that is happening in dental college, and it is something remarkable that is going on in the dental college, and we are very happy that you are here with us. Dear parents, the relatives and the guests who have come here for this occasion, thank you all for being here, and it's really giving me immense pleasure to share my information with you and my beloved nurses. I always like to relate to nurses. When I returned to India after my placement as Assistant Dean at Sultan Qaboos University, and after finishing my deanship, as Dr. Sharda said, I thought I will be principal or a dean in one of the colleges in India. But God wanted something different from me probably. I met Dr. Ravindranath, and he is the right person who I wanted to work with. So I joined the Global in 2009, and I'm very proud. The 5 years of my journey at Global Hospitals gives me a greater satisfaction. Being with patient is the greatest satisfaction a nurse could have. So that is what is the achievement that I have done in this 5 years, I can say. And I'm very happy to work with nurses at the bedside. So it is giving me immense pleasure. Probably my message, I would use some Tamil language also. I am a Tamilian, so no problem in speaking in Tamil. So first thing I want to tell you is, nursing na enna? Definition of nursing enna? The definition of nursing is diagnosis and treatment of human responses. Humans respond. They feel happy, they feel sad. Beyond that, they have fever, they have pain, they have aches, they have depression, they have many things. But nurses are the people who have to diagnose it. Not only the patient after getting pain, you should diagnose before a patient will get that. And then plan your nursing care with the doctors and provide care. During the treatment, you keep assessing the patient, giving information to the doctors. What I am telling here is, nursing oda definition enna, ஒரு பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு என்ன நடக்குதுன்னு நடக்க போகுதுன்னு தெரியறது வந்து டாக்டரை விட நர்ஸுக்கு தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் தெரியும். அந்த நர்ஸ் சொல்ற ஒவ்வொரு பாயிண்ட்டையும் ஒவ்வொரு அசஸ்மெண்ட் டேட்டாவையும் வச்சுட்டு பல்ஸ் இவ்வளோ, ரெஸ்பிரேஷன் இவ்வளோ, பேஷண்ட் வந்து ஃப்ளூயிட் லெவல் இவ்வளோ, இந்த அசஸ்மெண்ட்டை டாக்டருக்கு இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கொடுத்தா டாக்டருக்கு டெசிஷன் எடுக்க முடியும், கிளினிக்கல் டெசிஷன். ஸோ you're in a very greater position. Doctor operates in the theater. Surgery, operation theater la பண்றாங்க. Patient ICU க்கு வந்த பிறகு patient வீட்டுக்கு போறது வந்து it's in the hands of nurses. Excellent surgeon will fail if he has poor nurses around him. Excellent surgeon will be successful only if he has excellent nurses around him. So this is reality. That is what I am seeing in day-to-day life. Every day, in and out, this is what I am observing. So nursing, edukkaga pandringa? To be at the bedside, to support doctors. It's not that whatever they say you should do. Sometimes doctors are also human beings. They may write wrong prescription. Wrong மருந்து கூட டாக்டர்ஸ் எழுதலாம், எழுதுவாங்கன்னு சொல்லல. Excellent, extraordinary doctors also will make mistakes sometimes because they have so many things. They go to theatre, they go to ICU. Their mind is not thing. Sometimes they will think something, they write something. But you as a nurse should say, Doc, this medicine, I think this is not what you want to give. Probably you have written it. Could you please reconfirm? You understand? So he will get a thought. He will look again and he will see that this is right or wrong. The doctor will appreciate you. That is what my global nurses are doing day to day, and doctors are appreciating nurses for all these, because we are the patient's last line of defense. நிறைய பேர் தப்பு பண்ணலாம். Nurses cannot make mistake. இப்போ ஏர்ப்ளேன்ல எல்லாம் போறாங்கல்ல, அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு சிஸ்டம் வச்சிருக்காங்க, zero error system. ஒரு மிஸ்டேக் ஆகக்கூடாது. That is their target. It is similar to aviation industry, nursing. They should not be an error, but it is not possible. So what do we do is, தப்பு பண்ணிட்டா கூட courage should be there to let it accepted. தப்பு பண்றதுக்கு தைரியம் வேணுமா, இல்ல தப்பு பண்ணதை அக்செப்ட் பண்றதுக்கு தைரியம் வேணுமா? அக்செப்ட் பண்றதுக்கு. So a good nurse, it is not necessary that she will not do mistake. As a human, everybody can do mistake. If I am at the bedside, probably in my 1 month of my practice, I will do one small mistake. But accepting the mistake, informing the doctor, doc, I have administered a wrong medicine. I have done something wrong. I missed something. So when you do that, what will happen is the patient is safe. So nurse is the last line of defense for patient. Nurse கையை விட்டுட்டாங்கன்னா patient will have problem. This is what. So I want to tell you as budding nurses how big nursing is. Is it clear? So nursing is a profession that is very, very important to the world and to India. How it is important to India? You know, in Indian market, because I am coming from corporate hospital, there are a lot of foreigners coming into India. You will see in hospitals, there will be a lot of foreign nurses coming and working. Now already we are getting application. Few nurses from abroad wants to come and learn. In now January, we are getting University of Wisconsin, USA, and 20 students varanga. Unga madam varuvanga அந்த ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்கு. They are going to be here for 2 weeks. My nurses are going to teach those students. People like you, your seniors are there. I think some of your seniors. Parents க்கு நான் என்ன சொல்ல விரும்புறேன்னா, இவங்கள மாதிரி கிராஜுவேட் ஆகி இந்திரா காலேஜ்ல இருந்து வந்த பிள்ளைங்க இப்போ ஒரு 1 year 2 years முடிச்சவங்க எல்லாம் இருக்காங்க. அவங்கள சில பேர் ப்ரிசெப்டர்ஸா செலக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அவங்களுக்கு ட்ரைனிங் கொடுக்குறோம். அவங்க என்ன பண்ண போறாங்கன்னா, இந்த ஜனவரி மாசம் வரக்கூடிய யூஎஸ்ஏலேருந்து யூனிவர்சிட்டி ஆஃப் விஸ்கான்சின்லேருந்து வரக்கூடிய நர்சிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ப்ரிசெப்டர்ஸா டீச் பண்ண போறாங்க பெட் சைட்ல. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்பட வேண்டிய விஷயம். ட்ரெண்ட் வந்து சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது. இப்போ நிறைய தடவை சொல்லுவோம், நம்ம ஃபாரின் போகலாம், இங்கே போகலாம், அங்கே போகலாம், பட் இந்தியாவில் நர்சிங் இஸ் க்ரோயிங். பட் இன்னொரு இடத்துல சீட்ஸ் ஃபில் ஆகலை, நிறைய பேர் நர்சிங் ப்ரொஃபஷனுக்கு வரல அப்படின்ற ஒரு ஒப்பீனியன் இருக்கு. பட் இதெல்லாம் மாறி நர்சிங் இஸ் ஆல்சோ அ வெரி வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ப்ரொஃபஷன் அப்படின்றது நிச்சயமா இந்தியாவில் வரப்போகுது. 25 வருஷத்துக்கு அப்புறம் நானும் ஹாஸ்பிட்டலில் வந்து சேர்ந்திருக்கேன். So, edukagana, there is prosperity in hospital industry. So, I want to assure you all, the nursing future in India, although looks like dark ages, it is a great promising profession in India. Avlo varaikum naan vandu acknowledge panna mudiyum for the age and for the experience that I have. So, this is what I want to convey to the parents also. Now, the next point what I want to stress here is, like, what is that the nurses can do, where all nurses can work. Nurses can work in many places. You know, when I went to UK, recently na UK poirundhen, I stayed with my friend. Sharda will know her, she is Satya. I stayed with Satya and Selvan. They both are nurses from CMC, got married and settled there for a long time. You know what? They are working for an agency nurse. Thornbury agency. Internetல போயிட்டு Thornbury nurses, agency nurses ன்னு போட்டு பாருங்க. அவங்களோட பெருமை வந்து அப்படியே ஐப்ரோஸ் எல்லாம் தூக்குவாங்க. So when I went to Birmingham University, அந்த யூனிவர்சிட்டில I went on a rounds and a tour around the hospital. So I told the nursing chief and the directors that my friend is working for Thornbury. அப்படினோனே they said, "Oh, she's working for Thornbury? She is paid so well." so high. Per hour, $35. Per hour, $35. So, what I say is, I'm not coming here to mesmerize you or do anything. I wanted to tell you that nursing has got a bright future. உங்க மனசுல நான் கரெக்ட் டெசிஷன் எடுத்தேனா இல்லையா அப்படின்னு இருந்ததுன்னா erase it. நல்ல நீட்டா erase. Keep a clean board with you to learn many things to become good nurses, which is very, very important for you. You understand? So this is what I want to give you in as a piece of knowledge and piece of information, so that you don't enter into nursing profession with a doubt. You may see your colleagues doing engineering, you may see some of your colleagues doing medicine, you will see some of your colleagues going for some, they go for this call centers and all. They mint money, but you will start minting money gradually and you will excel later, certainly, because yours is a professional program. Immediately money varadu, but it will come with your competency, with your experience and with your practice. So certainly you will live in that particular level and then you will grow up, because money is also important. Status, I have seen many nurses, நிறைய பேரோட நர்சஸோட லைஃப் நான் பார்த்திருக்கேன். ஒரு லெவல்ல இருந்து டிஃபரண்ட் லெவல் ஸ்டேட்டஸ்க்கு போயிருக்காங்க. And I can say, even for me, from one level of status I have gone to the other level of status only because of my profession. So adala I would like to assure you that certainly the profession what you have selected will take you to a better status, and I am very confident about that. Now, what type of nurses today's hospital require? என்ன மாதிரி nurses இப்ப வந்து எதிர்பார்க்கறாங்க ஹாஸ்பிடல்ல? All that they expect is who is smart, who is willing to learn. You understand two things, who is smart and willing to learn, because colleges வந்து நிறைய வந்துருச்சு. காலேஜஸ்ல ஹாஸ்பிடல்ஸ் இருக்கும் இருக்காது. ஒரு ஹாஸ்பிடல்லையும் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ஸ் டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு. பட் ஹாஸ்பிடலுக்கு நீங்க போறப்போ first thing what they see is, are you willing to learn and are you smart? இது ரெண்டு இருந்தாக்க you can learn. Three things are very important for nurses. ஒன்னு knowledge, இன்னொன்னு attitude, இன்னொரு competency. Knowledge படிக்கிறதுல வருது, that is what you do. But ஒரே ஒரு பாயிண்ட் உங்களுக்கு நான் சொல்றேன், as a first years, when you read through the subject, don't neglect subjects. Anatomy is very important, physiology is very important, microbiology is very important, pharmacology is very important. You know, many days doctors come to my office, chief doctors, they come to my office and say, Dr. Clara, I am very happy. Your nurse saved my profession. Because morning when the patient was supposed to be shifted to the theatre, she saw there is a drug that is administered to the patient, which is a blood thinner. Blood thinner na blood வந்து ரொம்ப dilute பண்ணிடும். அது வந்து எதுக்கு கொடுப்பாங்கன்னா பேஷண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஏதாவது ஹார்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்ல தான் கொடுப்பாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி ட்ரக் சாப்பிட்ற பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு 5 நாள் அந்த ட்ரக் சாப்பிடக்கூடாது, அப்புறம் தான் ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணலாம். பட் இந்த பேஷண்ட்டுக்கு வந்து கண்டினியூஸா பேஷண்ட் சாப்பிட்டுட்டே இருக்காங்க. அண்ட் அந்த ட்ரக் என்ன ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா புது ட்ரக் மார்க்கெட்ல வந்திருக்கு. ஸோ அந்த கார்டியாலஜிஸ்ட் அந்த புது ட்ரக்கை வந்து எழுதிட்டாங்க. பட் கார்டியாலஜிஸ்ட் எழுதுற புது ட்ரக் எல்லா டாக்டர்ஸ்க்கும் தெரியணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை, சர்ஜன்ஸ் தெரியணும்னு அவசியம் இல்லை, பிகாஸ் அவங்கவுங்க ஸ்பெஷாலிட்டியில் எக்ஸ்பர்ட். ஸோ அப்போ அந்த நர்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, டாக்டர் திஸ் ட்ரக் அப்பியர்ஸ் டு பி அ பிளட் தின்னர். And she called the doctor and told surgeon and told doctor, this is what it is. Then immediately the Dr. Vaidishwaran, he came down to my office, he gave a big cake and told, let the nurse cut cake in front of all nurses and people because she has saved my profession. Okay. அந்த நர்ஸுக்கு எப்படி அது பிளட் தின்னர்னு தெரியும்? I am only giving you one example. எப்படி தெரியும் அப்படின்னா, அவங்க CNE classes நடக்கும். அந்த கிளாஸ்ல என்ன பண்ணாங்க, இந்த நியூ ட்ரக்ஸ் இந்த ஹாஸ்பிட்டல் என்னென்ன வந்திருக்கு, அதோட ஆக்ஷன் என்ன, சைடு எஃபெக்ட் என்னன்னு சொன்னதை அந்த கேர்ள் வந்து லாஸ்ட் வீக் she has attended that class. ஸோ அவங்க அந்த ட்ரக்கை பார்த்தோன்னா அவங்க ரிலேட் பண்ணிட்டாங்க. Immediately she informed. Now you understand? Knowledge is important. So attitude is important, knowledge is important. Competency. What you want to become? Indian hospitals-ல நிறைய facilities இருக்கு. You can become robotic nurses, you can become theatre nurses, you can become ward nurses, you can become OPD nurses, you can become anything. But what you want, that you have to decide from the beginning. You have to decide from the beginning and keep reading subjects so that when you come to 4th year, you become a smart nurse who knows very clearly what I want in my life. And then what you have to do is you have to select some of your seniors who is smart, and you have to take support from the seniors, mentors. If you ward ku varinga, if global ku varinga, or you go to some other hospital, you see nurses in the ward, right? Select the best nurse. Don't join with a nurse who is not doing things properly. Don't join with the nurse who will make you go without doing anything. Go with the toughest nurse. Be with the toughest nurse. Learn things from her. Then she will be your leader. You will learn from her. So by the time you finish, what will happen is you are very strong in your hand. So current days la hospitals la, you have lot of opportunities, lot of opportunities. You know, artificial heart for patient has some heart failure, you can connect them on a machine, ECMO machine, LVADS procedure. This is an astonishing procedure. Heart function but patient is living before transplant. Live transplant patient is fine. You understand? Otherwise patient will die. So first the equipment and the technology so technology you should also be aware. You should go to good hospitals where you can learn many things, and learning should be a permanent learning. So this is what I would like to tell you. There is scope for you to have better future. And what is the thing that you should never forget? What is the thing that you should never forget? Yeda marakakudadu nurses. You should not forget two things. One is being altruistic. What is altruistic? Altruistic philosophy. Florence Nightingale. She is the altruistic leader, but she is a altruistic nurse, but a dynamic leader. So you also have to become an altruistic nurse and a dynamic leader. Leadership na principal arundha da leader kadiyadu, sir madam da leader kadiyadu. Or bedside la or nurse, I want to tell the relatives here, or nurse ku or patient assign panita, she is the boss. She will ensure that the patient is fine. She will work with the doctor, she will work with physiotherapist, she will work with pharmacist, she will work with every other people, make things available for the patient. Is she not a leader? She is a leader. So dynamic leadership should start from your beginning, from your student life. Then you will evolve into a better positions when you become a nurse. You understand? Being humble, talk to patients, personalize your care. Every nurse does nursing care. But what is difference in me providing care and somebody else providing care? I have enjoyed that. Many patients will ask, when I was working, many patients will say, I want Jyoti sister to give injection. I want Clara sister to give injection. Because I am sure many of us will experience that too. So the way you give injection, you can give injection with extra pain also. Yes? If you are angry, you talk to the patient, comfort them. The way you introduce the needle, way you take care of the patient, it matters a lot. Do not forget this. So altruistic approach na being human. Treat human being, and life is very important. Life once lost, you cannot get back. No moments you will get back in health industry. So this is one thing. Second thing which you should not forget. Can you guess? Second one which you should not forget. Can you guess? Dr. Sharda told she is going to start an alumni. Alma mater. Alma mater na enna? Mother institution. Which is your mother institution? Let me hear. Not enough. Indra? College of Nursing is your mother institution. You should never forget. I never forget. She doesn't forget. CMC is our mother institution. Omelachi is our master's mother institution. We never forget that wherever we go. Recently I went for the advisory board for the journal. The principal invited me. I was so proud. I went into my nursing college and I was in the board for the journal, and I was very proud to be there with my principal, who was a principal earlier and now she is also there. It is nice to relate with people. Come back. Once you leave, come back. Come back and see how your students are, how your generation is. And I want to conclude with one thing. If you remember your alma mater, your mother institution, you will certainly be blessed. That is honest I am telling here. So think that you have to contribute something. You are all very creative. Keep your creativity open. It is not necessary physically only you have to come. Current days you have internet, you have Skype, you have lots of facilities. You can relate to the institution. You need not give money, but you can give your time. You can give your talents. You can give your energy. So this is very important. Why I am telling this? I will end up with this small statement. Why I am telling this? Because we have to create generation. Parents are there. Do you know your grandparents? Do you know your grandparents? Yes. That is family. In your personal life, grandparents, mother, father, daughter, then it go on. It is generation. In your profession, we have to create generation. For me, I have seen grandchildren for my age because many of my students have become teachers and principals. They have students who have become teachers also, or they have become nurses, and they are now teaching them. So 2-3 generations I have seen in my profession. So when you get involved with your alma mater, you are creating generation for nursing. So is it not our accountability? If we are parents, inga irukravanga ellarkum or commitment irukku en pillainga nalla irukanum solli, right? Adu vandu personal la. Professional irukrappo, who are our children? The younger nurses. Now for the 4th year nurses, you are all younger ones. You have to groom between yourself. So we have to create generation now. You have to stick on to your alma mater. You have to stick on to your professional dialogue and interactions. So I think I was not very formal in giving my talk, but all that I would like to tell you is your decision is right. You are in the right hand institution, and I am sure God